Yeah, this is a really pathetic story about Yehuda Ferris of Probate of the East Bay. He's been in Berkeley for 33 years. He became a trustee of a cancer patient's trust, and the trust had $1 million in real estate and $85,000 in cash. And the man who died of cancer at 66 had 3 siblings, and he left them something in the trust. And Yehuda Ferris, as trustee, 5 years later, he gave the beneficiaries, the 3 siblings, the survivors, $4,000 5 years ago. $4,750 5 years ago, but he didn't give them what was they're supposed to get in the trust. They're supposed to get $30,000 each, plus 10% interest a year. They don't get paid, and then it would become a lien on the property. It would become a lien on the property at 10% interest a year until paid in full. But what happened was he gave his lawyer $57,000, but he didn't give the siblings anything but $4,000. And instead of putting a lien on the property until paid in full for their share, he sold the property out of the trust for $82,000. And then when people talk about it, he gets mad because he doesn't want people to know. So how do you do such a thing? Basically, the trust instructed the trustee, Yehuda Ferris, of Chabad Lubavitch for 33 years. It said, give the siblings who are elderly in their 60s, not financially established, it said give them $30,000 each, and if they don't receive it in 9 months, it'll become a lien on the property until paid in full at 10% interest a year. That's 1810 Grant Street. The siblings had lost their home in the Oakland Hills fire decades ago. So now it's 5 years later, they got $4,000 5 years ago. And then the brother who's fighting for justice has been accused of being a vexatious litigant, blacklisted in the courts, evicted from his own brother's house, and then now they're trying to get a civil restraining order on him saying that he can't talk to the media. I mean, have you ever heard of such a thing? Case number NO.RP22120163 in Alameda County Probate Court. Yehuda Ferris of Chabad of the East Bay has, this is just unbelievable. Unbelievable.